In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best door locks in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which door locks is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Eufy Security Smart Lock. Fingerprint Identification. Smart Lock acknowledges your fingerprint in simply 0.3 seconds and opens your door in 1 second. It's faster than screwing up for your tricks. For ways to unlock, open in a split second using your fingerprint, the Eufy protection application with Bluetooth, the digital keypad, or the key. Additionally collaborates with Wi-Fi bridge for remote control, marketed independently. Automatic locking, a built-in sensor spots when your door is shut and also secures it automatically, maintaining your residence safeguard also when you remain in a hurry. All-weather security, with an IP65 weatherproof rating, Smart Lock is ready to secure homes in any kind of location. Securing your personal privacy, shops your fingerprint as well as in-app data locally as opposed to on the cloud to maintain your individual details secure and private. Trustworthy fingerprint acknowledgement. Smart Lock correctly identifies licensed fingerprints when your finger is positioned correctly on the scanner. Shields your personal privacy. Smart Lock utilizes local storage to ensure that your fingerprints are kept private. Built to last, show to work after 250,000 rounds of testing. Smart Lock is more than capable of dealing with the comings and also goings of an active house. Here is the item number 4, Copper Creek CK2030 SS Colonial. ANSI Grade 3 Safety and Security Privacy Ball Knob. Privacy securing feature, suitable for bedroom and shower room use only. New exterior privacy launch switch, run with a coin or standard screwdriver just. No personal privacy trick was called for. Does not have a keyed cylindrical tube, except use where keyed security is called for. Steel round corner flexible latch, not suitable for drive-in application. Whether you are redesigning your house or building a new residence, this sleek Colonial personal privacy door knob offers an excellent balance between peace of mind security and also phenomenal worth. The satin stainless is inviting, stands up to smudging, and uses strong resilience. These lock sets feature rounded corner adjustable locks, nickel-plated bolts, sized to fit most doors, as well as satisfy the uncompromising grading standards of the ANSI for residential and also builders' equipment. Maximum door density 2 inches. Copper Creek E-Series door handles offer outstanding worth. These lock sets are produced to the highest. The item number 3, AceMining Portable Door Lock. Protection as well as privacy. This portable door lock offers you additional safety as well as personal privacy, significantly improving your protection as well as stopping unapproved entrance, so the door can't be opened from the outside, not despite having a secret, which is a terrific assistant for you when you get on the organization as well as journeys or live alone. Easy to use, easy to mount or get rid of, this door lock can be installed in seconds with no devices, also in emergency circumstances and in the dark. Just place the steel item into the port of the door lock, close the door, and afterward put the red take care of groove to the stud on the metal sheet, after nobody can open the door from outdoors. Top quality product. The door security gadget is made of solid stainless steel. Rugged abdominal muscle plastic cover to avoid damage to doors under pressure. Steel surface areas with electroplating and brightening technology ensure a smooth touch and also reduce any kind of injury to your skin. A strong door lock with the premium quality might ensure prolonged service life. Number 2 in our list, Addalock, the original portable. The initial mobile door lock, Addalock, is a mobile door lock that can be utilized on many doors that are pivoted and turn inwards. Our residence safety and security door lock is made to offer extra safety, and security, as well as personal privacy in your room. Security in the house. The Addalock door lock offers additional safety and also privacy while you're home. This lock mounts in sects without tools and can be used for apartment security, as kids' safety and security locks, as well as are terrific for a secure university dorm room. Safety and security on the move. Take it with you when you take a trip, whether you remain in a resort, remain at an Airbnb, or any other short-term leasing. Keep one in your luggage and constantly stay risk-free with your travel lock while vacationing or on a company journey. Authentic Addalock. The Addalock original portable door lock has a steel body that is inscribed with the Addalock logo design and also comes with a red Addalock storage pouch. This is exactly how you recognize you have the real as well as original Addalock mobile door lock. Who we are Rishin Enterprises Incorporated, the designers of the original Addalock and the burglar. We have focused our time and efforts on promoting as well as accentuating security, safety and security as well as personal privacy for your daily life, house or away. The top one in our list, Defender Security Satin Nickel. Keep your home safe, developed to hold up against 800 pounds of force. This U10827 Satin Nickel surface door support lock assists to stop doors from being started, raising your home protection as well as keeping you and also your household safe. Easy installment. The consisted of 3-inch set screws make installment a wind additional safety, as well as comfort, can be accomplished in just minutes. Length is 2 to 0.19 inch, width is 1 to 0.38 inch. Additional house safety and security. Utilize this high security door support lock for added residence protection on any type of swing-in door of any door thickness. It aids to make sure any type of door cannot be opened from the exterior. Child safe as well as tamper resistant. This Defender security door blocker by Primeline has a spring-loaded design that is both child safe and also tamper resistant. It can be set up greater on the door where your youngsters can't get to. Plus, not just can doors not be begun by intruders, it secures against lock picking and also bumping while in the locked setting. See the video on this web page for setup suggestions as well as operating instructions. Pole projection, 1 inch. PRE drilling. The included 3 inches. Security screws call for holes to be pre-drilled with 1 or 8 inches. Drill bit. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best door locks amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.